In the national finals of Icon Scientifica, 200 students competed in some very interesting rounds of junk create, computer games, playing life-size chess, creating sumo bots, and taking part in an airgun battle, Airzuka. Finally, it was time to declare the results, and the 4 student icons were crowned. Poonam Yadav, Pashang Irani, Sebastian Santi, and Karthikeyan Vasudevan. Icon Scientifica 2009. Weeks after that glorious win for Poonam, Pashang, Sebastian and Karthikeyan came another wonderful treat. A chance to meet with a real-life science icon, former President Dr. APJ.
Others arrived. My father recently got a new job in Delhi, so we just came here quite a few days back to see the house and see the location. I'm going to meet my friends Pashang, Sebastian and Poonam, who are from Bombay, Baroda and Vapi. So now we are all going to meet up and then we are going to go to the Science Museum.
But first, the 4 of them met and went sightseeing around Delhi. A first visit for Poonam and Sebastian, but a very special one for them all. A real sense of achievement to be on a trip as winners.
It's been an amazing journey, basically of discovery for me and for my son as to exploring his capabilities. When we heard that he's going to meet Dr. Kalam as a part of this whole program, we felt very honored. I mean, he's at just barely 13 and he's getting to meet one very, very respected gentleman in this country. And we are still, I mean, half our lives are over and we don't get to do anything like this.
After Pashang won the student icon, he was very excited because he was supposed to meet Dr. APJ Abdul Kalam. And week after week he used to, just ask me, and I used to call you up and ask what is the tentative date. And when the dates were finally finalized for tomorrow, so he was very, very excited.
The sculptures of Gandhiji and people following him during the Dandi March were awesome.
I have a lot of excitement because I'm going to meet Dr. APJ Abdul Kalam. It is a pleasure to me because he was a former president of India.
पहली बार आए, बहुत अच्छा लग रहा है। एक तो हमारे देश की राजधानी है और ये हम सोच नहीं सकते थे कि यहाँ आने का कभी अपने को मौका मिलेगा, लेकिन ये हमारी लड़की की वजह से जो स्टूडेंट आइकॉन ऑफ इंडिया बनी, इसकी वजह से हमको यहाँ चांस मिला। बहुत खुशी हो रही है।
Poonam, Karthikeyan, Pashang and Sebastian made the best of their visit, clicking enough pictures to fill an entire album.
This was with India Gate.
And then came the visit to the National Science Centre. Just as soon as they entered it, the children looked around with curiosity and wonder. The Science Centre was full of interactive things to do. In this section called Fun Science, the children tested their knowledge of physics. So many interesting things to see and explore. The children had an amazing experience.
The pressure is equalized in the ball, whereas when this blows across the ball, it creates a low pressure around the ball so that the ball is attracted towards it. That is why when we direct it from side to side, it stays with the wind. See? Pashang, why don't you remove that? The structure of this bridge causes it not to fall. I'm going to risk it. This is the basic structure for most of the bridges in our world.
Poonam was charmed to see a stringless piano. The children had a wonderful time creating music together. boys, always competing.
When a fluid is dense, it prevents the bubble from going up faster. As this happens, the bubble have a bigger chance of grouping up, joining and forming one big bubble. It also prevents the rate at which it climbs, this is the slowest while this is the fastest. See? So there's less pressure upon these bubbles. So as there's a less pressure, it spreads out like a concave lens.
And Karthikeyan would not stop talking.
Slightly spread out.
The whole fun science section to themselves for a day. To play, learn, understand and explore.
When they release the balls from here, the energy, the momentum of these balls transfers in this, and energy can never be destroyed. It can be only passed on. It looks like it is going up, but actually it is going down.
This is because of the center of gravity, and as the center of gravity over here is lower and over here it's higher, so and it's more stable over here, so it naturally moves towards this end.
Poonam, Karthikeyan, Pashang and Sebastian made the best of their visit.
It was very interesting over here. At first there was a lot of rush, but then as the rush started clearing, the people started going home. The place became more and more interesting, and it was much more fun to be alone in a room full of interesting things to do.
Today I saw many things like the snake pendulum, the visualing sound and the mirror maze. Most favorite is that the transfer of momentum and the visualing sound, where you can actually see sound waves.
Things I saw were the guitars, sound waves, then snake pendulum, dancing rings, then I saw about that nails which were imprinting the hand's image, the head on a platter, and many exciting things. I liked about the electric arc. It was physically an electric current which I saw between two wires, and the second thing I liked the most was the floating ball. First I thought that it was a magnetic effect acting upon it. Then after that I realized that there was a low pressure acting upon it.
I enjoyed it very much, and I discovered new things here. And I wish that I will see more science museums like this.
Actually, seeing sound waves was a brand new experience, as were so many others. A real amazing day amidst so many gadgets.